Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the weather stripping on your second gen Vios 2007 to 2012 Toyota Yaris or Toyota Belta. If you've been following the channel, you know I got this car and I guess the previous owner or whoever owned it before didn't put the weather stripping on the correct sides. This is supposed to be the passenger side and the other side is the driver. So I went to the salvage yard, pick one up. Well, I picked both sides up from a S model. So it's simple. What you gotta do, just pull it in. These are junk. They've been on this for so long that it won't form to the other side. So just put that to the side. And then this little cushion part is what faces outwards. And then this side where it has like a flat ledge goes on the inside. Push it in. Like so. And there's no need to remove the door sill. Just slide it underneath. So make sure that it's pushed all the way through. Repeat on the same other side. Alright, and that's how you replace the weather stripping. I'm not going to show you guys the other side because it's pretty much the same exact thing. But that's a simple way. Stay tuned. See you on the next one. Peace.